Now, it's time for the exercise. Notice at the bottom of the screen, it looks just like the image that we saw in the video. So here you'll see the cornerstone. Now, force yourself to write your cornerstone in this box. The reason why I use this as a template is because it forces you to focus. You can't write 2 paragraphs inside this small box. At least most people can't. The point is that if your cornerstone is meandering and there's 3 or 4 points included, it's not going to be very strong because it's not going to be very focused. So your main idea, your cornerstone, the most effective way to do this is to have just one main point, one main idea, one expected outcome that you want to drive the prospect to. Maybe it's invest in our best-selling product, or sign up for our membership or our online university, whatever that is, or get them to see the value of how product X can dramatically increase their revenue over the next quarter. Whatever that main idea is, that's what you want to write. Okay. Now, once you've established the main idea, and that's usually derived from the expected outcome that you've completed in your audience profile. So you may want to pull that out and check out the expected outcome that you came up with in the audience profile, and then use that to be the input into this exercise. And your expected outcome from the audience profile could very well be the cornerstone for your basic building block. Okay. Now, once you've established your cornerstone, next thing you want to do is start adding your supporting arguments, right? So you can have 2 boxes, you can have 3 if you need to. You can split this one in half by drawing a line. But the point is, you want to begin saying, if that's what I'm trying to drive my prospect to, what must I share with them to help them see that? What problems can I solve, can I speak to help them see the value of what I'm trying to offer them? So it must be convincing. So you can put whatever problems that they may be challenged with, you can highlight those and then talk about how you have a solution to solve those problems. That's what would end up here. Now, everything that you write on this level must drive the prospect to this expected outcome. So be very careful. Allow the cornerstone to drive the rest of your message. Now, once you've established the supporting arguments, you've added your content here. Now you want to go to the next level, which is the art and the science that you use to convict them. This level convinces them, but since there's no art and science, it won't convict them. That happens on this level. So let's say if you made a certain point here, one feature would be we have the best price in the market, and we also include the most features for the price. Okay, let's say that's your supporting argument. Now, the next level here, you would talk about some art or science. Maybe it's a video testimonial. Maybe it's a graphic of you shaking a hand with the CEO of a company or an owner of a company who used your product or service. And on the science piece, then maybe there's some research that was done where a survey was taken and your company ranked number 2, very close to being number 1, and you have a plan to get into first place by the next quarter. Okay, that could be the science piece. So you see how that works? You begin writing those points in each of the boxes. So everything that ends up here is to support this supporting argument. So you have art and science to support this supporting argument, and whatever this supporting argument is, it drives the cornerstone. Just how you saw on the video, that's exactly what you're going to do here. So basically, you use this form as a template. Now, use this one in particular, because if you move off of another template, you're going to end up writing too much information and it makes it more complicated. The purpose of using this template is it simplifies the process and eliminates complexity to increase simplicity. And that's when you're going to get more done with less. And we've heard that from clients before, right? Take a look, complete this exercise before you go on to the lesson 3, the video in lesson 3. And that's the next time I'll talk to you. So I'll see you then.